What's up, guys? DUBB. Welcome to my channel. It's almost springtime and I want to do some tree planting. I got a bunch of white peaches that I don't need no more. I got too many actually, so I dug them out and sold them. And I got some more trees I want to plant. This time I'm gonna have different variety. I got more cherries and there's some Asian pear right here. So this video I'm gonna show you how to properly install your drip line so you can water your plant. So this is how I did it before. I got a little dripper right here and it worked just fine, but I think what happened is, like, over time you can have roots coming in here and clogging it because it's berry. And let me show you, this is what I'm planning to do. So this setup right here, when I water it, the water is just gonna come from the top and soak it down to water the tree. What I did is I took a piece of old pipe, so I'm gonna put it on the side right here, and what I'm doing is when the drip line comes on, there's a hole I drill right here. I drill a hole right here, so when the water comes on, I'm gonna have a hose going into here so the water can go all the way down to the roots on the bottom. It's not just water from the top. I'm watering from the bottom, and I think it's better that way because when you water the top, all the roots gonna grow on top, and when you water from the bottom, the roots will tend to spread out and make the tree healthier. So let me go ahead and put this pipe down there. That should be good enough. So another good thing about having a pipe, so you can run your drip line into it. On some other setup I got over here, let me see if I can find one. Example, I got a drip nozzle right here that is above ground. So what happens, like when I got grass growing here, I start to re-whack, and a lot of time I'm ending up destroying the little drip nozzle. So having a pipe, I don't need to worry about it, and everything gonna be protected. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the old dripper because I think it's clogged up already. As you can see, it's clogged up with roots. And during the summertime, it's very hot. If I don't properly water them, the plant will get neglected and not as healthy. So I made a hose right here. I don't need it that long because it was shorter. Probably like 6 inches is long enough. So I'm gonna feed it in there. Just push it down a little bit. So we connect the drip nozzle, and that's it. I can go ahead and bury everything. if you worry about dirt and debris falling into the pipe, you can get a cap over it. I think it's just fine. I'm not going to worry about it. And got another one over here. You can see the I just planted these trees a couple of days ago. You can see this dripper right here, so close to the roots. Well, this is an old one anyway. It's probably clogged up as well, so I'm going to take it out. And if I put a new one in here and just bury it, eventually the little dripper gonna get clogged up too. So I got the dirt all filled in, and here's the pipe. I just used a rock to cover it up, and I got the drip line going here. I can also either put fertilizer in here, either the crystal kind or the liquid kind. I can pour fertilizer in here to fertilize the plants, go right to the roots. Just put a rock over it to cover the hole. I got one over here that slightly above the ground. I haven't set up the drip line into it yet, but I already got everything prepped. And yeah, pretty simple. Just go and get yourself a old piece of PVC pipe and stick it in there and run your drip line into it. This will protect the drip line, allow you to water the plant directly into the roots area, and also you can add nutrients if you need to. Real simple. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.